Setting EndNote Preferences. This tutorial will show you how to set EndNote preferences for display fonts, EndNote web integration, find full text options, and libraries to open during program startup. To edit the preferences for Windows, select Preferences from the Edit menu. For Macintosh, select Preferences from the EndNote menu. The Preferences options are arranged in alphabetical order. Select the Display Fonts option at the left. You can customize the font settings separately for the different displays in EndNote. For this example, I will set the Library and General displays to use the Arial Unicode MS font. This font supports a large number of languages. Select the Change Font button on the Library tab. Then select the font. Select the OK button. Repeat this action for the General tab. Select the Apply button to see your changes applied to your library. EndNote Web lets you keep up to 10,000 references in a web library that you can access from any internet browser. Registering for an EndNote Web account or entering your account information if you already have an account will allow you to transfer references between your EndNote desktop and web libraries and to use either web or desktop references in your documents. There is also a link to download EndNote Web plugins for Internet Explorer or Firefox here. EndNote's Find Full Text feature can find and download full-text journal articles matching references in your library. The accuracy of Find Full Text can vary depending on circumstances, but you can improve that accuracy by customizing the preferences for this feature. If you are working in medicine or the biosciences, mark the PubMed linkout option to enable it. OpenURL is a standard used to facilitate electronic delivery of journal articles or books to those who have the rights to them. I admit this is a simplification. What is important is that many data providers use this standard in delivering full-text articles to institutions throughout the world. EndNote can integrate with an OpenURL server to find full-text articles, but you will need to supply the URL for your institution's OpenURL server to make full use of this feature. Your institution may also have a proxy server that is used when accessing full-text articles. If it does, enter the address for that proxy server's authentication page here. You will then be able to authenticate with the proxy server from within EndNote before trying to find the full text. Information on the addresses for the OpenURL and proxy servers can usually be obtained from your institution's library or library website. Select the Libraries option to set which libraries will automatically load at program startup. From the drop-down menu at the right, select the option you prefer for opening libraries when EndNote starts. Your choices are to open the most recently used library, to open the specified libraries, to have EndNote prompt you to select a library, or to do nothing. If you select the option to open the specified libraries, you will need to set which libraries are specified by opening them in EndNote, as the sample library is open here. Then select the Add Open Libraries option. Libraries listed in this screen will automatically open when you start EndNote. When you have finished setting your personal preferences, select the OK button to save your changes and close the window.